Good afternoon, students. In our last class, we were discussing the chapter number 2 called addition and subtraction, and we were solving the exercise number 2.1, and we have also solved the C questions. So now today we will solve the D part. Okay, I will write the D question here, which is find the estimated and exact sum of following addends. Okay, in that the first one is 4398 plus 54512. Here we should find the estimated and exact sum of these two numbers. Okay. So how you will find the estimated sum? You will find the estimated sum by using the rounding methods. Okay. Now here to find the estimated sum, I will round this number to the nearest one. Here 4398 is there. Here 4398 is nearer to 4000 or it is nearer to 5000. It is nearer to 4000. I will write here 4000. Now come to this number. It is 54,512. Tell me, students, whether this 54,512 is nearer to 54,000 or it is nearer to 55,000. It is nearer to 55,000. So I will write here 55,000. So these are the rounded numbers. We have rounded this number and written the rounded number, and here also we have rounded this number to 55,000. Now add these two numbers so that you will get the estimated sum of the two numbers. Okay. Here estimated sum is equal to, we will add these two numbers. Okay. 5 plus 4 is 9. So write 5 as it is. 59,000 is the estimated sum of these two numbers. Now find the exact sum of those two numbers. Exact sum. Okay. Here if to find the exact sum, you simply add the given number as it is. Don't round those two numbers. Okay. Rounding is useful when they ask you to find the estimated sum. If they ask you to find the exact sum, then directly find the exact sum only. Okay. Now write 54,512. Below that write the smaller number, which is here. Now add these two. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Keep 0, take 1 as a carry. Now 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. Write 1 here and take 1 as a carry. Now 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 19. Now 4 plus 4 is how much? It is 8. Write 5 here as it is. This is the exact sum of the given two numbers, and this one is the estimated sum of the given two numbers. Okay. Now go to the second problem. Here 2413 plus 5978. Okay. Now I will round this first number. Okay. Tell me, students, whether 2413 is nearer to 2000 or it is nearer to 3000. It is nearer to 2000. Okay. Now tell me whether this 5978 is nearer to 6000 or it is nearer to 5000. It is nearer to 6000. Okay, I will write here 6000. Now add these two numbers so that you will get the estimated sum. Okay. Here 6000 plus 2000, if we add we will get 6 plus 2 is 8000, which is the estimated sum. Now find the exact sum. Exact sum. Add these two numbers. Okay. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Write one here and take one as a carry. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Here 9 plus 4 is how much it is? It is 13. Write 3 here and take one as a carry. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. This is the exact sum and this one is the estimated sum of these two numbers. Now let us solve the third problem. Which is 1900 plus 3298. Okay. This is 00. Now tell me students whether 1900 is nearer to 3000 or it is nearer to 1000. 1900 is nearer to 2000 because if we add 100 to 1900 we reach to 2000. So if we delete 900 from 1900 then we will get 1000. So which is the easy way? Adding 100 is the easy way. 100 is the less. Subtracting 900 is the bigger value. Okay. So you should select the easy way. Here we will round this number to 2000. Okay. Plus 3298. Whether it is nearer to 3000 or it is nearer to 4000. It is nearer to 3000. So write here 3000. Now add these two numbers so that you will get the estimated sum. Here I will write estimated sum. Okay. Add 2000 and 3000. Okay. 0, 0, 0. 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is the estimated sum. Now find the exact sum. Exact sum. Okay. To find the exact sum, add the given two numbers as is without making any changes. Okay. Add these two. 0 plus 8 is 0 only. 0 plus 9 is 9 only. 9 plus 2 is 10, 11. 11. Take one as a carry. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is the exact sum and estimated sum is 5000. Okay. Now move to the fourth problem. That is 4232 plus 5664. Whether 4232 is nearer to 4000 or it is nearer to 5000. It is nearer to 4000. So write here 4000 and tell me whether 5664 is nearer to 5000 or it is nearer to 6000. It is nearer to 6000. So I will write 6000 here. Now add these two numbers to to get the estimated sum of the above two numbers. Okay, I will write here estimated sum and add these two numbers. We will add the given two numbers 0, 0, 0. 6 plus 4 is how much? It is 10. Now come to this side to find the exact sum. Okay. Now add these two numbers as it is to get the exact sum. So I will write here 4, 2, 3, 2 and 5, 6, 6, 4. Here 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9 it is. 2 plus 6 is 8 it is. 5 plus 4 or 4 plus 5 is how much it is? It is 9. 10,000 is the estimated sum of the given two numbers and 9,896 is the exact sum of the given two numbers. Okay. Now let us see the fifth problem, which is 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 plus 8, 7, 3, 2. Now we should round this number to its nearer number. So 34,321. Whether it is nearer to 34,000 or it is nearer to 35,000. It is nearer to 34,000. So we will round this number to 34,000 and write here 34,000. Okay. So tell me students, whether 8,732 is nearer to 8,000 or it is nearer to 9,000. It is nearer to 9,000. Okay. So I will write here 9,000. Now add these two numbers to get the estimated sum. Okay. Estimated sum. Here add these two. So 0, 0, 0. 9 plus 4 is how much it is? It is 13. Write 3 here. Take 1 as a carry. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 43,000 is the estimated sum of the given two numbers. Now find here the exact sum. Write 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 8, 7, 3, 2, 1 below another and add. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 3 is how much? It is 5. 3 plus 7 is how much? 3 plus 7 is 10. Write 0 here. Take 1 as a carry. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 8 is how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 plus 8 is 13. Write 3 here. Take 1 as a carry. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is the exact sum and this one is the estimated sum of these two given numbers. Okay. Now let us solve the last problem in the D question, and it is 1204 plus 2033. Students, tell me whether 1204 is nearer to 1000 or it is nearer to 2000. It is nearer to 1000. So I will round this number to 1000. See here. Tell me whether this 2033 is nearer to 2000 or it is nearer to 3000. It is nearer to 2000. I will round this number to 2000. Now add these two numbers so that you people will get estimated sum. Okay. I will add these two. Okay. 0, 0, 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3000 is the estimated sum of the two given numbers. Now here we will find the exact sum. So to find the exact sum, add these two numbers as this. add these two. 4 plus 3 is how much? 4 plus 3 is 7. 0 plus 3 is how much? 0 plus 3 is 3 only. 2 plus 0 is how much? 2 plus 0 is 2 only. So 1 plus 2 is how much it is? It is 3. So 3000 is the estimated sum of these two numbers, and 3237 is the exact sum of these two numbers. So there is not a big difference between the estimated sum and the exact sum of the given two numbers. Very little bit difference will be there. Okay. So this point you should keep in your mind, students. Okay. So this is the completion of the question and also the completion of your exercise number 2.1. So in our next class we will see the subtraction of 4 digits. Okay. Thank you, students.